Today is the 13th of August, 2026. This is a Thursday, and we had CPI numbers this morning, and of course, that's that buy-side liquidity run that we've been waiting for basically all week. I mean, when we were over here, that's when it looked like it was going to do it, and then it just dropped down, and then came over here and looked like it was going to go up, and then drop down, and then come over here Wednesday, everyone thinking it's going to go up, and it doesn't, it goes down. And then today, right off the open, man. Straight up. That does not mean that we don't have some opportunities here, though. So, low, high, lower low. Bullish breaker. I don't know how I feel about really seeing a run down to this low, but this is the framework we have from 3 to 10. 10 o'clock is here, just opened. And we're currently trading inside of a daily SIBI over here. There's some buy side up here. That's quite a ways to go to get there, but it's there. And right now, currently, we're inside of this gap right here and above this liquidity. So I would not be surprised to see some sort of retracement, but I'm not sure what we can really expect. Let's just throw this on here and go see what that looks like on a daily chart. Yeah, that doesn't seem completely unreasonable to see it kind of bang come all the way back down to here. The issue is if we do that, do we remain bearish then? Or do we not do that and do we just kind of hold higher, climb higher, and keep going up? Gonna monitor this 5-minute SIBI first. It's the first one we've been given since 9:30. That's not true. This is, well, wow, I mean, gap, gap, gap. It's just the closest one to price right now. That's why I'm monitoring it. Doesn't look like anything is going to be A plus today unless we're able to really come down into here. Right now we sit and wait, and if we do come down in that 5-minute BISI, I will be favoring longs. I've been looking for that. See if we get it. Looks like we might have something to work with here. If we get this close up here, I'm definitely going to be tempted for longs, although I really should wait for this 5-minute close. If we get this, it'll just be a little quick jab here. Small jab, small jab. Small jab at 50%. says limit or replace, but I don't see anything, so I'm not sure what's going on here. Try reloading it. Only one, cowboy. Don't see if we're able to continue pushing up higher. Because you're going to want to retrace. This is a long off this 5-minute Bitsy here. Understand what is going on with my trades. I can't see them. Did I go along on the wrong chart here? They're both MNQ, so that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me why it's doing that. Whatever. 5-minute Bitsy, 1-minute version for value gap, sell side liquidity. So we have two things together here. This is not A plus, but this is an A trade. So we have sell side liquidity and 5-minute Bitsy with an inversion for value gap. And then a close above. And we're expecting bullishness now. Much bullishness? Well, let's see here. We're inside of this daily civvy right now. So what could change my mind on this position? A close below this 5-minute gap would change my mind. If we don't get that, then I will be looking to see if we can reach up into the 50% of this daily gap here, which is right here. Look to see if we can reach up into that. But like I said, what will change our mind? A close below this 5-minute gap will change our mind. Not the best entry by a long shot. We got to be more patient. Let that 50% trade be our entry. But we're going to sit on that. And let's see, stop set at 31.85. Let's let it do its thing. See if we're able to push up. And if we can get a push up into here, I will be out. There we go. In and out. That was based off that 5-minute. You see? Here. 5-minute Bissy. 1-minute inversion for value gap.